SingTel, M1, or StarHub for your mobile proxy. People want me to name a winner. The honest answer is that for most jobs, they perform close enough that picking one is the wrong question. What actually matters is being able to use more than one. I run a hardware proxy farm in Singapore. Real SIM cards across SingTel, M1, and StarHub, plus Vivify as a smaller network on top. So I watch how each one behaves against real targets every day, and I am not reading this off a spec sheet. When you pick a carrier, you are really picking three things: a different network owner, a different pool of IP addresses, and a slightly different reputation footprint. That is the whole variable. Everything else, the fact that it is a real mobile IP on a real SIM, is identical across all three. So the carrier is not changing whether you have a real mobile IP. You do on any of them. It is only changing which networks and rest you are wearing. And that matters in far fewer situations than the marketing wants you to think. Here is why there is no universal best. All three are genuine Singapore mobile networks. To almost every target you will ever hit, an IP on any of them looks like a normal local person on a normal phone. That is the entire job of a mobile proxy, and all three of them do it well. This is why I will not hand you a single use this one answer. Anyone who tells you one Singapore carrier is dramatically better across the board is selling you a story. For most account work and most scraping, you could not tell which carrier you were on just from the results. That said, if you just want a sensible default, SingTel is the easy pick. It is the largest network in Singapore with the broadest IP pool, which means more addresses to rotate through and a footprint that blends in everywhere. When someone refuses to test and wants one name, I point them here. Not because the others are worse, but because the biggest pool is the safest blind bet. More addresses means less chance of landing on one that a target has already seen too many times before you got there. Here is where M1 and StarHub earn their place. They are different networks from SingTel and from each other. That difference is worth real money the day a specific target starts rate limiting or distrusting one network's range. If a site has soured on SingTel's range for whatever reason, an M1 or StarHub IP is a clean, unrelated address that the same site has no history with. You change nothing about your setup except the network you are wearing, and suddenly you are getting through again. This is the point most carrier comparisons miss. The advantage is not which carrier, it is having all of them. Reputation on the internet is per range, and it shifts over time. A network that is clean for your target today can pick up a temporary block tomorrow. Running across SingTel, M1, and StarHub means you always have another believable Singapore identity to fall back to. The fix for a blocked range is to switch ranges, not to argue with the site, and a single carrier you bought yourself can never give you that move. There are real cases where the carrier genuinely matters, a target that fingerprints by network and has specifically flagged one of them, a coverage or location edge case where one carrier's footprint serves your exact need better. These exist, they are just rarer than the ads imply. And there are the cases where it does not matter at all. For account actions, posting, logins, warm-up, and general scraping, any of the three is fine. The proxy is not your bottleneck, and no target is splitting hairs over which Singapore carrier your believable local IP belongs to. So how do you actually choose? Let the data pick, not a logo. Start on the default, run your real target through it, and only switch carriers if that specific target dislikes the one you are on. One afternoon of testing your actual workload teaches you more than any comparison table, including this one. That is also the argument for renting from a farm that runs all three instead of buying a single SIM yourself. You keep the option to switch the day you actually need it, which is the day a range goes cold. If you want to test this properly, there is a free trial of Singapore Mobile Proxy, real SIMs across SingTel, M1, and StarHub from my own farm. Point your actual target at more than one carrier and let the result decide for you. The link is in the description, and it points to the home page, so you can start there. If that cleared up the carrier question, subscribe, because the next video goes deeper into sticky versus rotating and exactly when to use each. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.